How to make your Telegram channel request to join. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make your Telegram channel request to join. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Telegram. Make sure that you have already created your Telegram channel. So let's open it up. So as you can see, this is a channel that I just created. Now what you'll need to do is tap on your channel's name on the top. After doing that, you can tap on more. And you can edit your channel from tapping on edit. After tapping on edit, you'll see channel type. Tap on channel type and simply make it private. After you've made your channel private, you can then simply tap on done, and after you've tapped on done, your channel will now get private, and after doing that, your channel is now request to join. And it's basically that simple to do, guys. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.